Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add links to your Linktree very easily. So first of all, I want to say this works on both the Linktree website as well as on the Linktree app, so it doesn't matter where you are on. So once you are in the Linktree app or website, go to links. Alright, and when you're there, you see this big add link button. So just tap on that, and what you need to do right now is you need to add a URL. So what you can do is you can do, for example, x.com, then tap on add, and now your new link is added. But of course, this is not your personal Twitter account or personal X account. So what you need to do right now is you can do this, and then just type your personal handle right here. Alright, as you can see, just like this. Right now, you will be redirected to your personal X account. You can change this name to, for example, X or my X, just like this. And that is basically it. You can tap on add link again to add like a featured thing or TikTok video, just like this. Go directly to URL, display this video on your Linktree. There are a lot of options available with Linktree, which is very, very cool. You can also change the layout to, for example, classic to feature. Let me try this out right here. So tap on this, tap on layout, and tap on featured. As you can see, takes a while to load, but anyway, they will generate a photo for you. So I hope this video was kind of helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.